This is Anand Mahajan, your instructor for this course of Python. In the last lecture, we learned the basics of file handling. We learned what are files, and we also came to know that files are a means to write the data which is in RAM onto the hard disk and other backing storage devices.
This video is brought to you by Appy Pie Academy.
So data is stored permanently. Now we will be putting the things into practical. Now the first thing I will do is I will be opening a file. Always remember, whenever you want to deal with files, the first thing you will have to do is to open the file or files, whatever is the case. Okay, so the first thing is we will use open, which is a built-in method, open method to open a file, right? And it has got two arguments. This open method has got two arguments. First is the file name that you want to open, and second is the file opening modes. Okay, so let's open a file. What I will do is first let me show you that I have got a file in Notepad. I have created it in Notepad. It's a simple text file where I have typed some method like I am Anand Mahajan, I run a computer institute, I am this, and all this data. Now I want to read it through this Python program. So what I will do is, the first thing I will do is I will open the file by using open method. As I told you, the first argument should be the name of the file. Now name of this Notepad file was text.txt. Then I will mention file opening modes. Now see, I will explain this line to you. Open is a built-in method that will open the file, because each file has to be opened before we go in for some operations, file operations. The first argument is the name of the file. That is very simple, because I want to deal with the file text.txt. I have mentioned its name, but always remember, keep this thing in mind. In this case, I have saved this file in the folder where my this file, Python file, is saved. My Python file is saved in, let me show you, the name of the project is my files. See this, my files. So C : users Mahajans. Now I have given the name Mahajans. It will be the username which is in your machine. Then we will go to PyCharm projects. This is PyCharm projects, and after PyCharm projects, the project name was given my files. Double click and you can see the file text.txt happens to be present here. It's a simple file typed in Notepad. Okay, so the location, we talked about the location of the file text.txt. Then it could be stored at some other location also. We will talk about this later on. Second argument is the file opening mode. R stands for read mode, T stands for text mode. There are two types of files, text files and binary files. I will be distinguishing between the two in one of the lectures that I will be doing in the next sections. So R is for read mode, T is for text mode. Okay, so file will be opened, and once the file is opened, a file object will be created, and that file object would be put into this object FOBJ. This name FOBJ is not a fixed name. It could be anything ABC XYZ, right? The file will be opened and the object will be put into FOBJ. Now I want to display all the contents in one single go. What I will write is print FOBJ dot, and then there is a method called read. I would write read. I would again like to tell you that read method will read the contents with one single go, not character by character, not line by line. How to read character by character, line by line, that we will be covering in the next lectures. But here the read method is going to dump the whole matter on the screen. So read method here will read all the contents in single go, right? So let us execute this program. Control Shift F10. Right, now we will see the output, and as you can see, the output is this one. This is nothing else but the matter that was typed in the notepad file with the name text.txt. All its contents, they have been read by this Python program and they have been dumped on the screen, output screen. So this is how we can read the whole data in one single go of a file. How to read character by character and line by line, that we'll be learning in the next lectures. Thank you.